Now laws of exponent. Second, a raised to p upon a raised to q is equal to, now you studied last year, a raised to m upon a raised to n. What we are writing? A raised to m, and it is a in division bases are same, exponent are different, then it is m minus n, exponent of numerator minus exponent of denominator. Okay, so like that here it is a raised to p minus q. Now I will give you example. Yeah. Suppose 3 raised to 2 by 3 upon 3 raised to 1 by 3, if it is like this. So now base 3, that is same. So 3 raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 3 raised to, again denominator same. So it is 2 minus 1 whole upon 3. So that is 3 raised to 1 upon 3. Second example I shall give you. 7 raised to 7 by 3 divided by 7 raised to 4 by 3 is equal to, or I shall write it here. Now again bases are same, so you have to write 7 raised to 7 upon 3 upon, means this will become minus 4 upon 3. So that is 7 raised to, now again denominator same, so 7 minus 4. So now that is 7 raised to, 7 minus 4 means 3 upon 3, 3 1 time. So 7 raised to 1 means it is 7. Okay. Third example, if you want, I shall give you again. Third one. 10 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 10 raised to 1 by 3 is equal to. Now see, it is 10 raised to 1 by 2 minus 10 raised to 1 by 3. So 10 raised to. Now different denominator, we have to make them common. So 3 1 are 3 minus 2 1 are 2 whole upon 2 3 are 6. So that is 10 raised to 1 upon 6. Okay. Then third law of exponent. That is a raised to m into, sorry, a raised to p raised to q. Or even you can use, but we have mentioned p and q, no? So a raised to p raised to q is equal to a raised to p into q. Now suppose example 5 raised to 2 raised to 1 by 2. So 2 is a rational number, 1 by 2 is also a what? A rational number. Now it is 5 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. So into 2 upon 2 will get cancelled. 5 raised to 1 means how much? 5. The second example I will give you, 8 raised to 1 by 3. If you want to solve this now. Now it is 5 raised to 2 raised to 1 upon 2. On exponent there was one more exponent, isn't it? Now here it is simply given 8 raised to 1 by 3. Now for this also you can apply this rule. You have to convert this as some power of a number. Now, but how to express that? If it is upon 3 here, 1 by 3, no? You have to see this base is cube of which number? So A, it is cube of whom? It is cube of 2. So 8 you write as 2 raised to 3. It 2 raised to 3 means finally 8. And raised to, you write this, 1 upon 3. Now you can solve. So it is 2 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. So 2 raised to 1. Here also, if this is into 3, this is upon 3. You can cancel like this. Okay? And now you can write it is 2 raised to 1 means 2. Third example I shall give you. Example 3. 27 raised to 1 by 3 into 16 raised to 1 by 2. Suppose evaluate, simplify, find the values of this expression. Now it is a raised to m only. If a raised to m raised to m, in that form we can simplify, isn't it? Now what you can do, here it is base 27 and upon 3. So if it is upon 3, it is cube of which number? 27, cube of 3. So you write down here 3 cube raised to 1 by 3 into base 16 upon 2. So 16 is square of which number? 16 is square of 4. So for 16 you write 4 square and raised to 1 by 2. Now see, into 3 upon 3 will get cancelled. Into 2 upon 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining here? 3 raised to 1 into 4 raised to 1 means 3 into 4, that is 12. Okay. Then I shall give you one more example. You will suppose 4. 125 raised to 1 by 3 into 2 raised to 0. Suppose like this given. Now 125 upon 3 is that. So this is cube of which number? Only you should know that. 125 is cube of 5. So it is 5 raised to 3 raised to 1 by 3 into 2 raised to 0. Any number raised to power 0 means how much? It is 1. You study, you know this only. Now, sorry, it is upon 3 here. It is 5 cube raised to 1 upon 3, isn't it? 125 is cube of 5, so 5 cube. And this exponent 1 by 3, as it is. Now into 3 upon 3 again. Now 5 raised to 1 means 5 into 1. That is how much? 5. Suppose fifth example. (32 raised to 1 by 5 into 27 raised to minus 1 upon 3. Suppose it is given like this. It is upon 5. So 32 is fifth power of which number? Do you know? See here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So if 32 raised to 5, base is 32, if exponent is 5, then 32, which is fifth power of which number? Fifth power of 2. You should know this. Then only you can write here. Now 32 means you can write now 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 1 upon 5 into. Now upon 3 is here. We have 27. 27 cube of whom? Just now we have written. So 27 cube of 3. It is 3 cube raised to minus 1 upon 3. So 5 get cancelled, 3. So it is 2 raised to 1 means 2 into 3 raised to what remains? Minus 1. Now it is negative exponent, and you know that we are not going to keep negative exponent anytime. So if it is negative, how to convert it into positive? 2 into 1 upon 3 raised to 1. A raised to minus m, you have studied earlier. So it is 1 upon a raised to m to convert it into positive exponent. And so that is 2 into 1 upon 3 raised to 1 means 1 upon 3. And that is 2 into 1 by 3 means 2 by 3. Okay.